Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to log in to your DLS account on another phone. So basically, if you have a new phone, but you have on your other account you had a very good DLS account, you can log in into that good DLS account on your new phone, for example. So basically, you need to go to the settings. So tap on that settings icon on the top bar. Tap on that, and here you see game, display, audio, controls, and you see advanced. So tap on advanced in the right bottom of your screen, and here you see again sign in with Apple, personalized ads, personalized notifications, but you need to tap on those one of those icons under these three settings. So you see this information icon, you see this phone icon, and you see this link icon. So when you tap on this phone icon, so you see kind of two phones, tap on that, and as you can see, you can link your profile up to 5 devices. To link a new device, press generate code. So basically what you need to do is you need to tap on generate code like this, and as you can see now this code WGPFMK, that is the code that DLS generated for me, and this expires within 5 minutes. So enter the code on another device by pressing link profile in settings. So tap on this icon on your other phone. So now you're done on your old device or your other phone. So tap on this link icon and enter that code. This code is WGPF, etc. Enter that code on your other device, and this will add the account to that other device, which is really nice. And basically that is how you can do it. You can add up to 5 devices or 5 the same DLS account on 5 devices. So that's really nice. You can play on an iPad and on 4 other phones if you want to, if you have so many phones. So I hope this video is helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.